In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your driving license online in Florida for 2025 step by step. Florida's Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, or FLHSMV, provides a quick and convenient way to handle this process through their MyDM portal. It's an efficient service designed to make license renewal as smooth as possible, especially in our digital first world. To begin, head over to the MyDMV portal using your web browser. It's important to note that you can renew your driver's license or ID card online every other renewal period. This means you might need to do it in person sometimes, but for those eligible, the MyDMV portal is a great option. Once you're on the portal, log in or create an account if you don't have one already. It's a straightforward process and necessary to access your information securely. Now, the portal offers several services apart from mere renewal. You can update your address, replacing a lost or stolen license, or even change your name if you've recently had a significant life event. It's quite comprehensive, and navigating through these options is relatively intuitive. One critical aspect to remember when renewing online is that the department needs to verify your social security number. This is to ensure your identity's security throughout the process. If there's any issue with verification, you may need to follow up with the Social Security Administration to clear things up. Regarding the cost, fees vary depending on what exactly you need to renew or replace. You can check the latest fee schedule by visiting the FLHSMV fees page online. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these details ahead of time to avoid any surprises at checkout. Once your renewal transaction is complete, you can expect to receive your new credential in the mail within 2 to 3 weeks. Keep in mind that there is a small processing fee of $200 added to the total transaction amount. Also, remember to take advantage of the email confirmation option. On the payment confirmation page, you can opt to receive a digital receipt. Simply select Yes, enter your email address, and click Send Email Confirmation to keep a record of your transaction. By following these steps, you'll renew your driver's license online with ease, avoiding long lines and saving valuable time. Should you encounter any issues along the way, the MyDMV portal provides support options to help you through the process. Embrace the convenience of digital service offered by FLHSMV and make your driver's license renewal experience stress-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your next renewal successfully.